Hello everyone, hope you're well and welcome to today's video. So today I'm sharing with you my everyday winter makeup routine. This is the makeup look I've been wearing most of the time, and this is what I was wearing in my previous video and you all loved it so much I thought I must recreate it for you. So that's what I'm doing for you today. If you want to see how I created this look, carry on watching. Okay, so I've already prepped my skin with my bareMinerals Complexion Rescue Defense Soft Radiance. I absolutely adore this. It just gives the perfect canvas for makeup. It just evens out skin texture. It's your primer and your SPF in one. It protects your skin against UV rays, against your computer and phone and everything. So it's perfect for if you're someone who's in front of a computer all day like I am. Really love this. It works wonders with the bareMinerals products. So I'm going to go in with my foundation, and that's the barePro Performance Wear Liquid Foundation in SPF 20, and I'm in the shade Natural Warm. And I typically apply 2 pumps of this on the back of my hand. Just 2. 1 is like not enough. And 2 is just perfect. And I just dot this all over my face. I then blend it in with a damp sponge. I then go in with my Tarte Shape Tape. Now, I just want to mention about the foundations. When you first put them on, it actually looks quite pale, but they do oxidize, so just be aware of that when you get a color. If you think it's the right color, I would perhaps go a shade lighter because they do oxidize and dry down a little bit darker. So I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the shade Light Medium. Then I'm going to set with my barePro Perfecting Veil. This is a new one. Oh my goodness, you know I love this powder. I have it in the shade Medium. I don't set my under eyes most days because I just can't be bothered. So I just leave them as is, and I just set with the bareMinerals Perfecting Veil. And this, my friends, is the most beautiful powder known to man, known to woman or man, whatever. And I just dab that all over, and I just leave the under eyes just as they are. With bronzer, and it's my Ambient Lighting Light Bronze, as always. And I just find, because this has got like a highlight in it, because the foundation's so matte, this kind of gives a nice glow back to the skin. But you know, I quite like a matte for winter, but I like glow in other areas, you know. Oh, just put it all over. Oh, yes. And down the neck. And for blush, I'm using the bareMinerals Indulgence, Absolute Indulgence blush. And this just gives you like the healthiest glowing cheeks of your life. I mean, hello. Have I just had a brisk walk or what? It's got, look at that sheen. Oh my goodness. I pop this out every winter. I love it. It just gives you that fresh glow. Then for eyebrows, because I'm kind of like growing my eyebrows out, they're really messy. So I go back to my stencil stuff because I can disguise it a lot better. And I just stick my stencil on like so, and I just stencil that in. It's a really lazy girl eyebrow, like hello, done. And then I just follow the line and I just and it just it does it quickly. I don't have to do too much to it, and it's just a lot easier than using a pinpoint pencil, because my brows are really bushy, and this like keeps all the brows together, and then you can pop your powder on and it's just easy peasy. I think the powder also looks a lot more natural as well. It just gives it that kind of fluffy effect. Then for eyes, I'm still using the Naked Basics palette. I tried to veer off, but I just can't. It's just an easy palette for me, and I use the same colours like that. So I go in with Commando, which is that shade here, and same brush. All I do is I just look straight ahead and I just pop that in my crease any which way. I kind of go all over except the really centre bit of the eye, but I kind of turn my eye a bit just so I can see that it's coming out here, so you can see it there and just on the brow bone like that. And then I just bring it also under the eye as well, that same colour Commando under the eye. Again, just going into the crease. And it's just, they're so unforgiving, like they're really, but they do something to the eyes. And you all love that makeup look. And I was like, what? I'm sure it's the same thing I do every day. Maybe, I don't know. Right. Then I take the shade Nude, which is this shade here, and I go on the ball of my eyelid, so the centre bit that I left kind of clear there, that I left open. I just put that all on the centre lid. Same on the other side. Then I take the white shade here, which is it called Blow? Yes, it's called Blow. And I put it on top of that nude shade. Yeah, it's actually called Nude. See, I put it on top and it just sort of makes eyes pop. And then I take it and I go into the corners like this. So take Blow back into the corners like that. And I also just put it on the brow bone here if I'm feeling, you know, extra. But let's be honest, I'm always extra. Then I take my Estee Lauder double wear pencil. Look at that, it's like nearly down to the bone. And this is in the shade Coffee, and I absolutely love this. Although I don't find that it stays in my waterline all day. So once this is finished, I think I'm gonna get one of your recommendations. I think you recommended it was either Urban Decay or NARS for the waterline. And I literally just go into my waterline like that. Then once it's in my lash line, and I really push it into the lash line, you can see, and my eyes stop watering. I then go very lightly over the top. So I've gone underneath, but now I kind of close my eye and I just kind of trace, really, I keep it in the really root of the lashes. Can you see? Then I turn my little thing over with my little smudge buddy, and I just smudge that line more into the lashes. So you're getting it gives a really thick lash look. I know, I'm having issues with the sunshine. Okay, thank you, sunshine. I just literally smudge and I just pull it. I can pull it out a bit more if I want, but do you see how that kind of gives a really sort of thick looking lash line, but not much of a line? That's kind of like what I do. So again, like I've smudged it into the upper line like this, and then I just draw it along the lashes, as close to the lashes as I can possibly get. Turn my little thing around and smudge that line into the lashes, and that gives you just a really easy smoky look. And sometimes what I do is I will go over that with another shadow, but just for every day, I'll just do this. And it is so easy, so quick, and it's just easy to control as well. I then go in with mascara, and I'm using my Too Faced Better Than Sex, which I absolutely adore. I forgot to line my inner rims, and I use the this is the NYX Wonder Pencil in light, and I always put that just here. I find this just makes the eyes look really wide awake, which is nice. Okay, then for lips, I was wearing the Charlotte Tilbury Live It Up. Yeah, it's called Live It Up. And it's like a really sort of nice, sort of bright Barbie pink. And I lined that with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk liner. And then I topped that off with a Bobbi Brown lip gloss. And this is called Pink Sugar number 9. And it's just like a sort of clear sort of gloss. See? It has got sparkles in it. So it's lovely. It's lovely on top of pinks. And I just like this, just over the top. It doesn't change the colour of your lipsticks, which is nice. It just gives it a bit of diamond sparkle. And there you have it. That's my winter makeup routine. I hope you like it. It's the makeup I was wearing in my top 5 Charlotte Tilbury favourites. I think it's a really fresh, nice take on a winter look. You know, it's just, it sort of reminds me of snow, you know, because it's kind of light. It's a light sort of makeup look, I think anyway. I feel myself, I feel fresh. I like the eyes because they're just really sort of, you know, subtle. You don't look like, oh, is she got loads of makeup on or not? The lips are just a lovely pink, fresh lip that anybody can wear. And it's just a nice sort of cozy makeup look. And I'm so glad you all liked it. I hope you like my recreation of it today. Are there any of these products that you've tried that you like or that you're thinking of getting? Let me know. I will list everything down below, as I always do, for both the UK and the US, so you can read up on the product yourself. Please subscribe, like, comment, click the notification bell so you don't miss a video, and just show me some festive support. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this. Have a wonderful festive season, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.